My new Aldi. Ah!
Mom, we need to swipe this card on the. We need to swipe it to go.
Okay, everybody, this is my first Aldi haul in Florida. I got everything for $60 and change, and this will feed our family of 5 for 5 days. So I got 4 different boxes of cereal, macaroni and cheese, butter, milk. The milk was $2.99. I honestly can't even remember how much I paid for it in New Jersey, but the milk was $2.99. I got a thing of pork chops and 2 pounds of beef that will last for 2 meals. Taco shells, bread, eggs, frozen corn, $1, frozen broccoli, $1, half and half for coffee, granola bars for the kids, bananas, oranges. These oranges for a very big bag of this Halo business was only $2.50, $2.49. Bag of apples, tomato sauce, salsa, angel hair pasta, hummus for myself for lunch, tortilla shells, sour cream, and these meatballs. I found that these meatballs work best if you kind of cook them to in a frying pan, not with too much oil, but just like a little bit of a spray to kind of harden their outsides before you mix them with the tomato sauce. They're fully cooked, but I like them to have like a little crusty outer shell, if you will. Okay, guys. So that was $60 and change. And I'm not going to show you the rest of my house yet because it's a mess still. And my kids are being naughty. Oh, gosh. Hey, guys. And my Aldi sells wine, which is crazy. Who knew Florida Aldis did wine? They definitely do not do that in Jersey or Connecticut. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Short haul. I'm really feeling out of it from the move, but we're doing the best we can to survive. And see you in my next video. Bye.